Hello class 12. Today I am going to explain the remaining part of WTO. I have already given what is WTO and what are the principles of WTO. Today I will discuss about the functions of WTO. Number 1, it shall facilitate the implementation, administration and operation and further the objectives of this agreement and of the multilateral trade agreements. That means in every ways they try to operate the multilateral trade agreements in such a way that it can facilitate, it can help out the proper implementation, proper administration, and so that they can carry out the objectives of this agreement properly with all the countries in this agreement. Number 2, it shall provide the forum for negotiations among its members concerning their trade relations. That means all kind of negotiations for maintaining a very sound trade relation. They try to provide that forum, that unity among its members. Number 3, it shall administer the understanding on rules and procedures governing the settlement of disputes, if any kind of dispute occurs between the nations. It shall administer trade policy review mechanism. And number 5, WTO shall cooperate with IMF and IBRD. These are the two bodies and other affiliated agencies. Such agencies are required for maintaining a sound trade relation, and for that WTO always cooperate with these kind of agencies. Okay, so these are the 5 functions of WTO that you need to learn, and if you want to jot down the notes you can do that. Now I'll come to the next topic of chapter 8, trips and trims, and that I'll do from the book. Now you see what is TRIPS. First of all, you need to know the full form of TRIPS. Agreement on trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. This full form may come in your short question. Now this actually was negotiated at the end of the Uruguay round of GATT in 1994. This you have to remember, and you have heard about the Uruguay round of GATT when we were studying WTO. What were the general objectives of TRIPS you need to know? Reduction to barriers to international trade. Any kind of barrier, any kind of obstacle in between the international trade, that can be reduced. Promotion of adequate and effective protection to IPR. Ensuring that the procedures to protect property rights do not become a barrier to international trade. That means the procedures to protect the IPR, that should not become the obstacle to maintain proper international trade relations. Okay? Ensuring protection to property rights promotes innovation and transfer of technology to the mutual benefit of producers and users. So as we can see that TRIPS always thinks about the intellectual property rights, which we have already learned. Okay, and for ensuring proper protection to such rights, they promote innovation, new inventions and transfer of technology for the mutual benefits of the producers as well as for the users who are using those rights. Recognizing and respecting the rights of member countries to act in order to protect public health or interest and to prevent distortion of IPR. So all the points you see, it is around IPR protection, right? They are always trying to protect the IPR. So that is why TRIPS is always related to the various aspects of intellectual property rights. So all the 5 objectives are showing that. Now what is TRIMS? Trade related investment measures. Again, this full form is important. These are rules that apply to the domestic regulations on foreign investors in order to protect the domestic market. This you have to remember, because it is about the domestic regulation. One nation's own rules and regulations on the outside investors, on the foreign investors. These rules were decided on by all the members of GATT, which later gave rise to WTO. Okay. In the late 1980s, there was a sudden growth of foreign investment all over the world. However, some of the countries receiving foreign investment tried to restrict the outflow of foreign exchange reserve by imposing numerous restrictions on foreign investment. This was primarily done to protect the domestic market. TRIMS, in short, this thing is very important, are rules that restrict preference of domestic firms and thus allow international firms to operate more freely in foreign markets. However, it is essential to understand that TRIMS does not seek to impose new obligations but merely ensures that the trade agreement signed by the WTO members is not violated. Okay, so mainly what is the principle, what is the objective of TRIMS? Restrict preference of domestic firms and thus allow international firms to operate freely in the foreign market. This is the main objective of TRIMS. Okay, so it is a very short topic, TRIPS and TRIMS. Now from this topic you will get, definitely you can get the full forms and also the objectives in your long answers. Clear? Okay, class 12, I need to inform you regarding your pretest. Your pretest routine will be given to you, the timetable, by your respective class teachers. But before that, I'll tell you that what is the syllabus. Now, for your EVS, you know, it is being taken by me and also Devduti Miss. So, I want to confirm the syllabus of your pretest of my portion. So that will be chapter 1, the whole chapter, chapter 3, the whole chapter, because we have finished it off earlier, and chapter 8, the topics which I have completed. That means I will tell you the topics now. The topics are Amazonia, globalization, protectionism, free trade, TNCs, toxic waste trade, GATT, WTO, IPR, and tied and untied aid. Okay, and also I think I have completed the ozone depletion part earlier, so that ozone depletion part will also be there. Okay, so I hope the syllabus of my portion is clear to you for your pretest. Please, I am repeating it once, chapter 1, chapter 3 and chapter 8, as much as I have completed, and I have given all the topics which I have completed. Please go through my uploaded videos and the chapters and the portions which I have completed earlier. That is not a problem to you, I think. If you have any problem, you may ask me in the comment box. So today I am announcing the syllabus for your pretest. Please go through all the uploaded videos for all the notes which I have given. That will be very helpful for your exam. Thank you.